Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Pikashow on Samsung Smart TV. So there's only one way because I'm going to show you the conventional route, which is not available. So if you go to apps, right, if you go to app search, so as you can see, if I write Pika alone, nothing. So, and then if you go to the browser, which is the internet option right here, as you can see here, this is Pikashow. If you search it on your browser, so this is what's going to show up or pop up, and it's going to be the first option here. There you go. So this one, and as you can see, download Pikashow APK version 86, 100% working as they say. So again, the guide is here. The only way you can do this is, as you can see, of this recording updated less than an hour ago, which is insane. So this is the instruction for Pikachu, right? And you need to do this by using a flash drive, a USB flash drive, and downloading it there, and then booting up the flash drive behind your Samsung Smart TV. There are USB drives, there are USB ports behind your Samsung Smart TV, and that's the only way you can do it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.